Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to download and install Rider on your MacBook. Rider is a powerful cross-platform IDE from JetBrains, made especially for .NET developers. It works great with C#, ASP.NET, Unity, and more, and gives you fast performance, smart code suggestions, and a very smooth workflow. Alright, let's get started. First, open any web browser. I'm using Brave, but Safari, Chrome, or Firefox will work just fine. In the address bar, search for Download Rider. From the results, click on the official JetBrains website. I've also added the direct download link in the video description. Once you're on the Rider download page, choose the correct version for your Mac, Apple Silicon or Intel. If you're not sure which one you have, click the Apple menu in the top left corner and select About This Mac. If you see Apple M1, M2, M3, or M4, you're using an Apple Silicon Mac. If it says Intel, then you're on an Intel-based Mac. After selecting the correct version, click Download. Save the installer to your Downloads folder. The download time may vary depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file. A new window will open. Simply drag the Rider icon into the Applications folder. This installs Rider on your Mac. When it's done, you can close the window and delete the installer to free up space. Next, open Finder, go to Applications, and launch Rider. If macOS shows a security message saying the app was downloaded from the internet, just click Open to continue. When Rider launches for the first time, accept the user agreement by clicking Continue. You'll then be asked to activate the app. If you already have a license, choose Activation Code and enter your details. Otherwise, select Start Free Trial to begin using Rider for free. And that's it. Rider is now installed on your Mac, and you're ready to start coding. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.